Hey, this is Gabe with Whissel Realty. Today I wanted to talk to you about home buying mistakes. The first one is people want to handle their search by themselves, and I think that is the biggest mistake that home buyers make from the get. I mean, I don't walk into Home Depot and see the guy at the front and he asks me, hey, do you need help looking for anything? My first answer is yes, because he knows more than I do. And as a real estate professional, we are forever in the market, forever just keeping a pulse on what's going on. Home buyers, when you're sitting there, unwinding from your day with your glass of wine, Netflix is playing in the background, the kids are asleep, whatever it is, ask somebody for help because they can help you. Number two lends itself to number one to me. It's just keeping a pulse on the market. That is our job as a real estate professional, just to always know what's going on in the market, interest rates, whatever questions you have, to be able to answer those for you and just use your weapons that you have, your arsenal. That's our arsenal, is our wisdom about the market. Use us for that reason. Another thing I see is first-time home buyers thinking that you need 20% down to buy a home. That is not true. I mean, an FHA loan, you're looking at 3.5%, there's 5%, there are ARM loans, there are so many different loans you can do. Ask your professional to get you in touch with the lender and they can help you out. Another one is don't shop before you get pre-approved. I mean, you're looking at $1.5 million houses, you jump into an open house, maybe the house is $800,000. You don't have that buying power, but you don't know that. So my recommendation is get pre-approved just to know your buying power before you go look at houses. It'll just help you out in the long run. And after all said and done with those couple things, the last one is never skip your inspections. I mean, you have a home inspection, you can get an electrical inspection, you can get roof inspections. Anything that may turn up on your home inspection, please talk to your professional about, because you can turn a $800,000 purchase into having to come out $100,000 for whatever reason. We don't know. Always be top of mind with that. So with all that being said, thank you so much for your time. If you know anybody that's looking to buy or sell, please do not hesitate to contact me. I would love to help them out.